You all know this is AI. So, recently there is a channel named helifoundy on YouTube. He make video about helicopter ceiling fans. But the strange part is, he is using AI to make videos, and he's selling it. Now this isn't just fake videos, it's scamming. Also, he is using AI to reply to comments, and he always reply. Link in bio. Here is the proof. And if you click in the link in bio, and that's why it's scam. Don't fall for it! If you see him, report him for scam and misleading.